Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Layla. All right, it's in D minor, but you're going to be doing this D major shape over here. Take your middle finger off, and don't hit the E strings. Starting off by hitting the A string, and you're going to go to this note right here, 3rd fret, of course. It's a C note. You give it a little bit of a bend, just a little bit. And then that chord. D string. Go back to this note, and then you're going to be doing an A sharp power chord. Then you take your pointer finger off, put it back on. Do the same thing over here on this C power chord. And then back to the root chord. So that's essentially the rhythm, so it goes. Alright, so the solo, you got right here. And now this is the note that starts on the beat, I believe. And then, right there on the B string, 5th and 6th fret. And then you do a little hammer-on pull-off, I think, really quickly. And then back to here. And then back to here again. That little section sounds like this. So you pull off at the end there, or at least I do. And then you got this on the B string. And then you got this. And then you got this on the B string. So you got some slides in there, of course. And then hammer on pull off really quick. Right? And then this hammer-on pull-off to the slide. That's very quick. And then another pull-off to right here. And you slide up to the 12th fret. And then you're going to do the same thing you did in the beginning. But instead of doing a hammer-on pull-off really quick, you just go. And then when you get to here, you kind of play with those two notes. And this whole little section is kind of fast. And then when you get to here, it slows down. You take your ring finger and you slide on the D string to the 5th fret, but you kind of slide down. 3rd fret. And then it's kind of like a quick hammer on from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret. And then pull off. And I don't even know if he ends the solo right there, but it sounds like he would. And then it starts. Yeah, we'll get into those chords next week. So yes, good luck.